Hi everyone, welcome back to Grade 12 Maths with Mr. Simons, where we make maths easy and we get you exam ready. Right now, in the previous lesson, I introduced you to fundamental counting principle. Now we're looking at the different ways we test it. So first off, we're starting and we're looking specifically at menus and how we would answer different questions on menus, meaning working out our combinations and sometimes probability. So without further ado, let's start. Right, so example 1, consider the menu at Keanu's Fast Foods. So his menu is given there. Sorry, now I can't include color because just now you get hungry. So main course is curry and rice, pap and beans, boerewors roll, chicken, vegetarian salad, right? So that is a main course there. It's catering nicely for those that like the vegetarian, those that love their meat, those that love chicken, etc. Desserts, we have ice cream, we have fruit salad, pumpkin fritters, those of you that love sugar and sweetness, then pancakes, nice cinnamon. Beverages, we have your orange juice, freshly squeezed, milk, tea, coffee, cola, lemonade, right? I'm just playing around. But yeah, in how many different ways can a person make up an order for a main course, followed by a dessert and a drink? So, number one, we need to understand under the main courses, we have 5 options. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can choose any one of 5 main courses. For desserts, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 desserts. So I can choose any one of 4 desserts. And for beverages, I have 6 drinks. I can choose any one of 6 drinks. So instead of you going to write curry and rice with ice cream and orange juice, then curry and rice fruit salad with orange juice, then curry and rice pumpkin fritters with orange juice, then curry rice pumpkins and orange juice, then again curry and rice ice cream and milk, curry and rice fruit salad and milk, curry and rice pumpkin milk. You see how long that goes? We have the shorter route, which is called the fundamental counting principles. If we can do this m ways and that n ways and this p, we just multiply them with each other. That's the fundamental counting principle. So the total number of courses available, 5 times 4 times 6, which then gives me 120 different courses available to me. Right, let's look at the second example. So example 2, the Matric Dance Committee has decided on the menu below for the 2024 Matric Dance. Person attending the dance must choose only one item from each category, a starter, main course, and dessert. So this problem I've actually taken from a past exam question. It's just lazy to go look which one, but yeah. Right, so we have starters, main course, and dessert. So starters, we have crumbed mushroom, garlic bread, or fish. Main course, we have some fried chicken, some beef bolognese, chicken curry, vegetable curry. For desserts, we have some ice cream and we have some malva pudding. Right, so how many different meal combinations can be chosen? And 2.2, if a particular person wishes to have chicken as his main course. Hy wil hoender hê as sy main course, chicken. How many different meal combinations does he have? Right, so there, as I said, you can pause. Now I've shown you the first one. Can you answer this? All right, you look at it, answer before you go to the corrections, which I'm doing in the next slide. Right, so now how many different meal combinations can be chosen? So there I have 3 options. Here I have 4 options and there I have 2. So therefore, my total number of courses available to me, 3 times 4 times 2 equal 24. So when you attempt it on your own, something tells me you got that first part right. Proud of you. So 12 times 2 gives me 24. Right, 2.2, a particular person wishes to have chicken as his main course. How many different meal combinations does he have? So total number of courses available. So he has 3 starters he can choose from. He has 2 desserts he can choose from, but under the main course, you see he wants chicken as his main course, so he can either choose fried chicken or chicken curry. Can't choose beef or vegetable, he wants chicken. So under main course, he only has 2 choices available to him. So therefore 3 times 2 times 2, which equal 12. So we have 12 courses available. Right? Let's look at another example. So third one, hopefully after the third one, your knowledge in menus would be a bit stronger and you'll be able to answer any menu question that you get in the exam. Right? So, 1000. Yeah, when I was still teaching at school, one boy had this funny nickname, 1000. So yeah, I might just use him as an example. I just don't know how you'll come up with these names, but yeah. 1000 may choose DVDs from 3 categories as listed on the table, under the table or on the table below. So drama, romance or comedy. So drama, there are 5 dramas. Last Hero, Midnight Stranger Calls, Missing in Action, only 40 seconds left. Romance, One Heart, You and Me, Love Song, Bird's First Net. That sounds interesting, eh? Yeah, the people mustn't get One Heart, You and Me, Love Song. Sounds like a proposal. Yeah, I won't say which country, but yeah, One Heart, You and Me, Love Song, Make Bird's First Nest. Right, comedy, we have a laughing dragon, which dragon laugh, I'm sure it will toast me, but yeah, falling down and sitting on the stairs. So 1000 must choose one DVD from the drama category. What is the probability keyword that you will choose? Midnight. Right, so how many different selections are possible if the selection must include one drama, one romance, and one comedy? Alright, so we have to choose one of each. How many different selections are possible? And 3.3 again, a probability question. Calculate the probability that you will have Last Hero and Laughing Dragon as part of a selection in question 3.2. So again, you can pause here. You can attempt to answer some of it. If you get stuck, it's okay. Make note of your errors. Use a different color pen. Right? Once you know your errors, you can start slowly but surely correcting your errors. Don't believe me about errors. Just think of your mom. At home, your mom and your parents, many a times you do something good. But after time, that is forgotten. But the mistakes you've made, even 10 years later, they'll remind you about. Remember that year when you did X, Y, and Z? Right? So our brain has a tendency of remembering errors. If we take that and use it to our advantage in problem solving, the more we use a different color to note our errors, and we re-practice till the errors is out. When you see the problem in the exam, we somehow remember to say, oh, this is the problem where I made that error. You don't make the error and you score better marks. Right? So I hope you get into the habit of doing that. Right? So let's look at the next problem, or the answers to this problem. Right, so 1000 must choose one DVD from the drama category. The probability that you choose Midnight. So Midnight there is one movie out of 5 possible movies. So if you had to choose Midnight, the probability, it would be 1 over 5. So probability selecting Midnight as drama would be 1 over 5. How many different selections are possible if your selection must include one drama, one romance, and one comedy? So number of selections there, he has 5 options available to him. Here he has 4 options available. And there we have 3 options available, which gives me 5 times 4, which is 20, times 3 gives me 60. So he has a total of 60 different possible selections that he can make. 3.3, calculate the probability that you will have Last Hero and Laughing Dragon as part of a selection. So Last Hero and Laughing Dragon, so probability, Last Hero and Laughing Dragon, if we use the product rule, that would equal probability Last Hero times probability Laughing Dragon. So probability Last Hero there is 1 out of 5, the possibility that you would select that. And then for Laughing Dragon would be 1 out of 3. So 1 over 5 times 1 over 3 then gives me 1 over 15. Right? I know you've enjoyed the lesson. If you did, please like and subscribe. That way you stay in touch when we upload the next video. So we'll try to do at least 3 to 4, if not 5 videos a week to get you ready for exams and help you as far as possible. If I can assist you in getting at least 150 to 200 marks answering proper exam questions, that means I've done something good. Right? Continue practicing. Wish you nothing but the best. In the next lesson, we look at other examples of how we use fundamental counting principle. God bless. Bye.